in the rain. White bird in a golden cage, alone. The leaves blow across the long black road to the darkened sky in its rage. But the white bird just sits in her cage, unknown. White bird must fly, she will die. The white bird dreams of the aspen tree with her dying leaves turning gold. But the white bird just sits in her cage, growing old. White bird must fly, or she will die. White bird must fly, or she will die. The sunsets come, the sunsets go, the clouds float by, and the autumn sun